Good morning, friends. Myself, Dawal S. Mistry. I am assistant professor in mechanical engineering department. I work in Mahatma Gandhi College, which is situated in Navsari. It is a very oldest college in Navsari, and it is a very experienced and highly educated professor are available in our institute. Today we started about manufacturing process. Our subject is manufacturing process, and it is code is 314190A. Today we start about the chapter number 1, introduction. But our subject is manufacturing process. So we started first to classification of manufacturing process. Okay, there are mainly in classification of manufacturing process there are mainly 4 types. In first one is casting process, second one is forming process, third one is fabrication process, and fourth one is material removal process. Okay, there are mainly 4 process. First one is the fabrication. First one is the casting process. In casting process, the material in this process, the material is in the liquid form. In the molten metal, poured into mold. In molten metal are poured into mold, and then it is solidified. Then it's solidified. Then Then it's getting shape. And in casting processes are done. Okay, the first is liquid form. Then it's converted into a mold, poured into mold. Then it's solidified. Then it's getting shape. Okay, so there are our in casting process, and then the types of casting process. The first one is casting process is cell mold casting, permanent mold casting, die casting, then continuous casting. There are the types of the casting process. This is the first one. Okay, we discuss about the casting process. Okay, now the second process is forming process. In forming process, the metal are in forming process. The metal are in the first of all if metal is heated. Then is heated, then is large forces applied on the material. So what's happened? The material change the shape, and we require change to shape in the change the shape, and final shape is connected through the force applying. Then it is when the shape is required, then is done process the done. In forming process, the first of all metal is heated, then large force is applied, and the material is changed the form, and we require the form it is getting, then the process is done. Okay, this is the forming process. There are 2 types of forming process. First one is cold working process, and second one is hot working process. Okay, in hot working process and cold working process, which is situated in recrystallization temperature, it is depend upon the recrystallization temperature. What is recrystallization temperature? In recrystallization temperature, in which temperature the metal is start to melting. Okay, and the atomic structure are changed. It is called a recrystallization temperature. Okay, a recrystallization temperature above the material it's called the hot working process, and below the recrystallization temperature it is called a cold working process. Okay, first one there is 2 type of forming, and first one is the hot working process. Hot working process, types of hot working process. First one is the hot rolling, hot extrusion, hot forging, hot spinning, and hot piercing. There are the types of the hot working process. Second one is the cold working process. In cold working process, there are the types of cold working process is cold rolling, bending process, sheet metal process. There are it is the cold working process. Okay, this is a discuss about the forming process. Now the third process is the fabrication process. It is also called a welding process. In definition of welding process, 2 similar or non-similar material are joined to be with or without the pressure, with or without the filler material, or temporary or permanently. This is the welding process. Okay, now we talking about the types of welding process. Okay, the types of welding process is the first one is the gas welding process, then arc welding process, then resistance welding process, and atomic radiation process. There are the mainly types of the welding process. Okay, now we discuss about the gas welding process. Types of gas welding process is oxy-acetylene gas welding, oxy-hydro gas welding. It is the types of the gas welding process. Okay, now the second is the arc welding. Arc welding is a TIG, MIG, carbon arc welding process. There are the arc welding process type. Okay, third process is resistance welding. In resistance welding, the spot welding, seam welding, there are the types of the resistance welding. Okay, now is the atomic radiation welding. In atomic radiation welding, the is ion beam welding, laser beam welding. It is the types of the atomic radiation welding. Okay, this is the third type of the fabrication process is we discussed. Now is the fourth process is last process is the material removal process. Okay, in material removal process, what if the unwanted material are to be removed? Unwanted material are to be removed from the material. It is the material removal process. An example of material removal process is the in lathe machine, the turning, facing, nulling. There are the types of the material removal process. Okay, we discuss about the classification of manufacturing process. Now we discuss about the production. Every student are in confused between the manufacturing process and production. Okay, so I clarify the difference between the manufacturing process and the production. It is a very simple. First, manufacturing process is what? Manufacturing what? Manufacturing means what? A raw material convert into the finished product. What? A raw material convert into finished product. It is called a manufacturing. And then the production means what? Production means what? Okay, there are the just a part of manufacturing process is the connected with the production. Okay, there are the in production there are many steps one by one. First, the production is start with the planning. Okay, first step is in production what? Okay, planning. Second step is the material selection. Okay, then third step is design. Okay, then fourth is manufacturing process. Then the manufacturing process is done, then the quality checking, QC control. Okay, and last is dispatch. Okay, so what's happened? The production and the manufacturing difference is what? Okay, just manufacturing process is the part of the production. Okay, now we clarify the what is production and manufacturing. Okay, now we discuss about the types of the production. Okay, there are the mainly three types of the production. There are first one is piece production, second one is medium production, and third one is the mass production. Okay, the productions is types of production is depend upon the quality and quantity. Okay, the first process is done of production is the piece production, or it is also called a batch of production. Okay, in piece production, the quantity and quality related. There are quantity is only one, like there are some low, and the quality is high. Okay, example of we ship or aeroplane. It is an example of piece production. Okay, then second is the medium production. In medium production is what? Okay, quantity and quality both are the same. Okay, example of is the machine tool, compressor. It is the example of the medium production. Then third is the mass production. In mass production is what? Okay, quantity and quality. It is depend upon the quantity is less, but quantity is high, but quality is very low in mass production. Example of nut, bolt. It is a very most important example of the mass production. Okay, it is the we discuss about the types of production. Next topic is the selection criteria for manufacturing process. Okay, it is And selection of manufacturing process, selection of manufacturing process criteria. So there are the it is availability of area, it is availability of worker, availability of electricity, availability of water. It is why there are more factors affectable of the selection of the manufacturing process. Okay, next topic is the principle of metal cutting operation. Okay, let's say it is a workpiece. Okay, and it is tool and depth of cut, chip and finish piece. Okay, so we shall show the workpiece and the tool. Tool is force applying to the tool and the unwanted material in the form of chips are removed. Okay, unwanted material in the form of our chip they remove and we are getting the finished piece. Finished piece, it is the our main principle of metal cutting operation. In force applying to the tool and the remove unwanted material are to be removed. It is the principle of metal cutting operation. Okay, next topic is study about the speed, feed and depth of cut in the turning operation. Okay, the first one is the speed. What is speed? Cutting speed. Okay, in cutting speed is defined the rate of material or rate of tool material is travel to the this material. It is called speed. But the cutting tool is a traveling surface rate of the tool travel to the workpiece. It is called a cutting speed. It is in measure in the meter per second. Okay. Second is the feed. What is feed? Feed is defined as the tool is advanced into or along to the workpiece. It is called a feed. Then it is expressed to the millimeter per stroke, mm per stroke. Then third definition is depth of cut. Depth of cut is defined the normal distance between the original distance between it is the distance between the normal distance to the original distance is exposed by the cutting tool. It is called a depth of cut and it is expressed in the mm. Okay, this discuss about the speed, feed and depth of cut in the turning operation. Okay, now we discuss the types of the tool material. Okay, all we know about the tool material is the harder than the workpiece. Okay, and there are the types of the tool material. Is first one is carbon tool steel. Second is high speed steel. It is also called HSS. Then is the third one is the cast non-ferrous alloy. Then fourth one is carbide. Then fifth is ceramic and sixth one is the diamond. There are the types of the tool material. Okay, next topic is the cutting tool edges. Okay, we know about the types of cutting tool. There are the cutting tool types. Edge is first one is the single point cutting tool. Second one is the double point cutting tool, and third one is the multi edge cutting tool. Okay. The first one is the single point cutting tool. We know about that. The in lathe machine, shaper machine is the single point cutting tool is used. Okay. The in second one is the two cutting edge. In two we know about the two cutting edge is in drilling machine. Drilling bits are is used in the two cutting edge. Okay. And the third one is the multi cutting edge. In multi cutting edge we know about that in milling, in grinding, we use of the multi edge cutting edge is used. The next topic is the tool signature. Okay, this is the tool signature of the data. Okay, the in government exam maximum most of the most NP question in government exam we ask about the more time. In so that the first one is the there are the 7 digit. Okay, 7 angle. First one is 16, 12. 8, 10, 15 and 12. Okay, the first one is the 16. What about the 16? 16 is the back rack angle of the cutting tool. Okay, then 12. 12 is what? Is side rack angle of the cutting tool. Then 8. 8 is end relief angle. Again is 8. It is the side relief angle. And then 10. 10 is what? End cutting edge angle. And then 15. 15 is the side cutting edge angle. And third is what? In nose radius. In nose radius in what? In mm. This is the tool signature of the cutting tool. It is most very important in the in industry and factory use of the tool signature. We know about the what is the rack angle, relief angle, and the in tool signature we know about the rack angle, relief angle, and cutting edge angle and nose radius. Okay. Next topic is what? The types of cutting fluid. We know about the why it is used in cutting fluid in the industry. It is the cutting fluid is used to reduce the temperature and also the tool life increase. Okay, tool life increase and also the friction between the tool and workpiece is reduce the cutting fluid. Okay, then types of cutting fluid is there are the mainly 4 types of cutting fluid it is used in industry or factory. First one is neat oil, second is water soluble oil, then is the synthetic coolant, and then fourth is the gaseous fluid. It is the there are mainly cutting fluid used in the industry. Okay, today we discuss about the first chapter in the introduction of the manufacturing process, chapter 1. Okay, I hope you are the very learning from the in my video to about watch the video and you increase your knowledge. Okay, thank you.